Props.children is available on every component. It contains the content between the opening and the closing tags of a component. For example, in here, instead of using the self-closing tag, we use the opening and also the closing tag. And then we type hello world in between. Now at here in the object you will see there is a children which is hello world, and inside our card component we can create a new paragraph, and instead of props.title we are passing the children. And if we back to the website, you can see there's hello world here. But usually the use case is not just to pass the hello world, is to pass a bunch of code. For example, if we want to create 2 buttons inside our card, we can copy this code from the WVC and back to the app.js, and we replace the hello world. And also we can copy this CSS and paste it inside the app.css, and we change it to yes and no, these 2 words. And then we also change the class to class name. And now you will see there are 2 buttons inside our first card, and there are no buttons inside the second and the third card. Actually, we can also extract these 2 buttons into a variable. So we cut this out and we create a variable. But you will see there is some error because there is only 1 root element. So we have to create a div to wrap this up. So now you can paste it inside our card. Now you can see the buttons are still here. And then we can delete the 2 other cards. And then we duplicate these 2. Now as you can see, all 3 cards has these 2 buttons.